Programming Fundamentals. Now that we know how powerful C language is, let's move ahead and understand some of the critical and cutting edge features of the C language responsible for C's high success. The designers at Bell Laboratories made sure that their programming language solved the existing issues with B and B CPU and the ones they had foreseen. The most prominent one is the complexity of a programming language. C was developed so that it incorporated built-in functions to simplify mathematical and logical implementations and set rules or procedures to use them. The approach made it simple, easy to understand, and implement while in a head-to-head comparison to its forerunners. It also gives C an added advantage of platform independence and portability. It combines the features of both high-level and low-level languages, resulting in the faster execution and smoother application development. Hence, C earned its patent as the first middle-level programming language. Next, the whole C program can be divided into individual and functional units. It means every individual function in the program acts as an independent unit to perform a specific task or an operation and is also capable of running separately. C language comes with built-in libraries and functions. This pre-written header file helps user borrow and run the mathematical and logical operations directly from the library, helping them write simple and complex programs easily and drastically minimizing the development time. Next, C follows the top-down approach to the software development. Instead of classes and objects, a C program is divided into accessible smaller units called functions. The extendable nature of C allows developers to add additional functions to the C library, and also it quickly adapts to all the new features. C language contains a wide range of built-in operators that are used for different scenarios such as arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and many more. Lastly, C introduced several memory management functions within the standard library header file, and they take care of allocating, deallocating, and reallocating the memories in C. So I think you got a good understanding of all the features of C. Okay, so let us move on to the applications of the C language. Let us look at the first application. C language is used to design operating systems. As discussed earlier, Unix operating system was the first ever operating system designed entirely using the C language. Later, a wide range of Android and Microsoft Windows applications were designed using C. Next, C is one of the most popular languages and is widely used in designing and developing embedded systems for electronic gadgets. Also, the software burnt into the embedded systems is developed using C. Graphical user interfaces are becoming increasingly popular in recent days. Electronic equipment relies on a fully fledged user interfaces for a better user experience. C is one of the foundational languages to introduce a simplified and user-friendly graphical interface. The early interfaces incorporated a few visual and graphics to interact with electronic devices. Next, Google File System was developed using the C language as a storage platform for generating and processing large volumes of data. Next, we have Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is one of the free and open source web browsers coded using early standard versions of C. C language is also widely used in designing compilers and interpreters. A compiler translates the code from human understandable format to bytecode. The popular database MySQL was also developed using C. The simplicity of C enables MySQL to perform data manipulation tasks with ease. Now that we have some idea about the applications of C language, let's have a look at some advantages and disadvantages. C programming language is simple, so it is easy to understand. Due to its open source nature, it is completely free, resulting in almost low or no cost. It has the fastest execution speed because the entire C program is translated at once, unlike the interpreter which translates line by line. C language is portable because the program written in one operating system can compile and run on another system with minimum compatibility issues. C library contains header files such as standard input-output function, standard utility function, string handling functions, etc. It combines the features of both high-level and low-level languages, resulting in the faster execution and development. So, it is often called a middle-level language. Let's now look at some of the disadvantages of C language. C is a procedural language. Naturally, the concepts of objects and classes is not present in C.